Hi, it's really time to get serious about social media marketing. And for most of you, it's time to step up your game. Social media is really the name of the game for your promotion, for your marketing, to get in front of your client base, in front of your potential customers, buyers, sellers, whoever you're targeting, whoever is your potential client. They will look for you on social media. They will find you on social media. They will be exposed to you on social media. So let me ask you this. If you are interested in working with a CPA or working with an investment advisor or working with anyone looking to remodel your home, do you want to just see someone's message once and then hope you can remember it down the road? No, you want to see their message over and over and over again. And whoever you keep on seeing, whoever keeps on popping up, if they are related to what you're interested in doing, then you're going to eventually reach out to them. And if any of you have bought something on social media, you know yourself that you have maybe clicked on an ad or looked at something, and then that company or that person kept on pushing their content in front of you. And every day you would see something about them. And then maybe a week later, a month later, 6 months later, I know it has happened to me, you end up actually making the purchase because now you are ready. The same thing is true for buyers and sellers when it comes to marketing your real estate services. You have to stay in front of them. And when you look at the algorithms that are being used by networks such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc., you need to produce massive content. Myself, right now, I'm posting 15 to 20 things per day across a whole bunch of different networks. And if you're looking to promote yourself on social media and really maximize your game, you need to do the same thing. You need to really step things up. And like Gary Vee says, if you don't know who he is, Google him and start following him. You need to really put 20 plus pieces of content out every single day. And if you think you're already doing enough, just double it, because you want to be in front of the people that will be your customers. And if they keep seeing you and they keep seeing content that is valuable to them, if you're giving them some information that is valuable to them, then you will build credibility with them, and they're going to reach out to you when it is time for them to make that move. So again, if you are active on social media, step up your game. No matter how much you're doing right now, you can do better. You can do more. And this is such an inexpensive, no-brainer way to get in front of your market. This is not about you doubling or tripling or quadrupling your Google AdWords spend. This is just about you creating a little bit more content, putting some more stuff on your storylines, on your posts, in order to keep staying in front of your audience. And ideally, I would highly recommend you do a video a day, and just something short, 2-3 minutes, that is of value to your audience. And if you keep doing that consistently, you will be amazed at what will happen in return. Hope you found this helpful. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners. And as always, feel free to reach out to me, direct message me, contact me. I want to help. Thank you so much for your time. We'll talk soon.